Hey guys, it's me, Quite Crafty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some bullet journaling supplies. So, if you guys are new, I'm Quite Crafty. I make lots of art videos like these, so if you do like those things, consider subscribing and join the Quiet family. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to be making washi tape. The clip that I showed was deleted, so yeah. So first, you're going to take your paper and you're going to just measure out the width of the tape. So mine is 1.3 centimeters wide, and I made some ticks on one side and ticks on the other side so that I can connect them with the ruler and form a straight line. Once I finish marking out the paper, I'm going to draw my pattern / design. I'm going to be putting a bunch of shapes like triangles, circles, squares, and then I'm going to go in with my fine liner and add a few more details. Once you finish drawing your design, you can put some packaging tape on. I like a glossy look for my washi tape, but if you want to be able to write on top of it, then don't put any packaging tape. So I'm just going to be trimming off any excess tape and cutting off the tape from the rest of the tape roll. Now I'm going to cut my pattern from the rest of the paper and cut it into some strips. So once you finish cutting off your paper into strips, you're going to get your double-sided tape and empty tape roll and just tape the double-sided tape until you roll it up like this. Then you're going to just stick your washi pattern design on top of your double-sided tape, and you're just going to keep rolling it until you reach the end. And if you reach the end, just attach another design paper on top and just keep rolling the tape until you're done. So it should look something like this, and you're done. The second DIY is memo paper. So what you will need is paper, a pencil and eraser, a ruler, a fine liner, some scissors, some washi tape, and some stickers. First, you're going to take your paper and just mark off the paper that you want to use. I'm going to make mine 2.5 inches tall, so I'm going to cut that out, and it looks like this. So now you can just decorate the edges with some washi tape. I'm going to take my ruler and my fine liner and I'm going to place some dots in a line so you can write on it. The final step is to decorate with your stickers. So this one is a DIY sticker that I made in my DIY stickers video. I'll be leaving it in the little card at top and a link in the description box as well. So here's the second one that I made off camera, and yeah. The third DIY is a sticker sheet. So what you'll need is label paper, a box cutter or X-Acto knife, some scissors, a pencil and eraser, and a fine liner. So you're going to trim your label paper if you don't like how it looks right now. So I really want sharp edges. This one has rounded corners, so I'm just going to cut those off. And now I'm going to take my fine liner and just draw some floral designs, and I'll be back. Once you finish drawing your design, you're going to take an X-Acto knife, and here, just test out how deep you need to cut. So this one is the box cutter. It's not very neat, but it does work. And this one is a finer line, which is the X-Acto knife. So I'm just going to be using that one. And all you're going to do is a kiss cut, which is basically just cutting the sticker, but not the sticker paper that it's stuck to. And once you're done, it should look like this. It's a little messy, but that's because my X-Acto knife is kind of dull. The last DIY is some patterned paper. So what you'll need is paper, a pencil, an eraser, some brush pens, markers, whatever you want to use to color them, a fine liner, and a ruler, as well as some scissors. So I'm just going to be cutting out some paper. They're not all going to be the same size because the paper does not fit the ones that I want. So I'm just going to measure out a few, and I'm going to cut them out. So they look like this. I'm just going to set them aside and start designing my paper. So I'm just going to put some diagonal lines with my brush pens, and you will see the results. Here are the ones I made. So some triangles, some leaves, some random dashes, really cute cherries, some brush pen dashes, polka dots, plaid, these stripes, and a graph paper, which I kind of messed up on, but that's okay. And yeah. So that is it for this video. Here's a little overview of what I made and what you probably made if you were making things along with me. So you can use these in your bullet journal, travel journal, scrapbooking, whatever you have a use for them. And yeah, so if you guys did like the video, big thumbs up. If you guys didn't, then give me a thumbs down. Do let me know how you feel. And if you have any feedback, comments, or suggestions, make sure to do so in the comment section down below. And if you are new, as I have said in the beginning of this video, consider subscribing, join the kawaii family, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be kind and be kawaii. Bye!